Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best inner tube bicycle is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for any cyclist, ensuring a smooth and safe ride by maintaining tire pressure and absorbing impacts, making it a critical choice for both casual riders and seasoned professionals seeking reliability and performance on various terrains. Number 5. Bell Standard 18 Bicycle Inner Tube. Introducing the Bell Standard Bicycle Inner Tube, designed for durability and reliability. Its mold-cured rubber construction prevents high-pressure blowouts, ensuring a safe ride. This inner tube is built to last, undergoing rigorous quality testing. You can trust it to perform consistently, mile after mile. Weighing only 140 g, it adds minimal weight to your bike. This ensures a smooth and efficient riding experience without compromise. It features a standard 35mm Schrader valve with a protective cap. This makes inflation and maintenance quick and easy. This inner tube is a great fit for kid bike tires. It provides the security and performance young riders need. What we like. This inner tube is made with mold-cured rubber for a consistent sidewall, preventing high-pressure blowouts. It's reliably tested for quality. If you're looking for a dependable tube specifically for a kid's bike, this is a solid choice. What people say. This 18 to fit 1.75 to 2.25 bike tube fit perfectly, inflated perfectly, and worked like a charm. Good price, high quality, and the perfect replacement from a highly reputable brand. Arrived as expected and fitted as expected. Number 4. 700C Bike Tire Inner Tube Replacement 2-Pack. Never struggle with tire mismatch again. This replacement tube is designed for a precise fit on 700C tires, featuring a Presta valve for easy inflation. Keep your tires at the recommended PSI to prevent blowouts. Proper inflation ensures you avoid the risks of under- or overinflation and ride with confidence. Spend less time pumping and more time riding. Our high-density butyl rubber tubes offer superior air retention and long-lasting durability for dependable performance. Ride through any weather with confidence. The nickel-plated brass valve resists rust and rain, providing secure sealing and rugged construction for reliable use. Get back on the road quickly. With the included anti-slip tire levers, installation is safe and tool-free, making it easy for anyone to set up. Tired of leaky valves? We ensure strict quality checks, but if you ever encounter an issue, we've got you covered with a free replacement. Turn maintenance into a bonding experience. With specialized tools included, even kids can safely help with installation, making tire changes a team effort. What we like. This 700C inner tube offers a precision fit for road bikes and is designed to help you avoid flat tires with its high-density butyl rubber construction. It also comes with tire levers for a fast and easy DIY installation. If you're a road cyclist who values reliability and wants a straightforward replacement, this is the tube for you. What people say. It came with 2 metal guides tools to remove the flat tube and install the new one, then to top it off they have 2 tubes per box. Reliable, durable, and easy to install, they've kept me on the road without any issues. It fit for 700x40C tires. Number 3. Duro Bicycle Tube 18 Standard American Valve. Introducing the Duro Bicycle Tube, designed for your cycling adventures. It offers reliable performance for your rides. This inner tube is sized for 18-inch tires, fitting a common range of widths from 1.90 to 2.125 inches. It ensures a snug and secure fit. Equipped with a standard American Schrader valve, it's easy to inflate. This is the familiar valve type you're used to. The valve measures 33mm in length, providing ample room for most pumps. This convenient length makes maintenance a breeze. Designed to be versatile, it fits most 18-inch bicycle tires. You can trust it to keep your wheels rolling smoothly. What we like. This inner tube features a standard American Schrader valve with a 33mm length, designed to fit most 18-inch tires. It's a straightforward replacement option. If you have an 18-inch bike and need a simple, compatible inner tube with a standard valve, this is a great fit. What people say. Worked perfectly in my daughter's 18 2.125 tires, great, simple, affordable bike tubes. They have been in for a month now, work great. It holds air. I use this to replace the tube that came with my daughter's bike. It is a much heavier gauge, much more heavy duty, and appears to be made of superior materials. Number 2. Ultraverse 18 bike inner tubes, set of 2. Ensure a perfect fit for your 18-inch bike with these versatile inner tubes. They are designed to accommodate a wide range of tire sizes, from 18 by 1.50 up to 18 by 2.125. Featuring a durable 32mm Schrader valve, these tubes offer excellent flexibility and stretch. The reinforced valve ensures a secure seal for smooth and easy inflation. Made from high-elasticity butyl rubber, they effectively seal air and resist pressure loss. Enjoy a safe and stable ride with fewer refills thanks to their thick, pressure-steady walls. These tubes are built tough to withstand friction, heat, and rough terrain. Their durable design extends lifespan and reduces the need for frequent replacements. Each set comes with 2 premium inner tubes and 2 tire levers, making replacement quick and simple. They are compatible with kids, BMX, cruiser, mountain, and electric bikes. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any issues, please reach out to us, and we will ensure your experience is exceptional. What we like. This 18-inch bike inner tube is made from heavy-duty butyl rubber for a strong, airtight build and a puncture-resistant design. It comes as a set of 2 with tire levers for easy replacement. If you ride a kids, BMX, cruiser, or mountain bike and want a durable tube that can handle various terrains, this set is an excellent option. What people say. Super easy to install. Holds air well and doesn't leak. Fit great. Love that it came with its own tire tool remover. Bune material. Number 1. Corki Cycle 16-inch bike tube 2-pack. Ensure a perfect fit for your 16-inch bicycle or stroller tires. Simply check your tire's sidewall for compatible dimensions like 16 by 1.5. Crafted from heavy-duty butyl rubber, this tube offers superior strength and flexibility. It's designed for long-lasting performance on any terrain. This inner tube is compatible with a wide range of popular stroller brands and models. It's a reliable replacement for many prams and pushchairs. Experience enhanced speed and responsiveness with its engineered low rolling resistance. It maximizes energy efficiency for a more enjoyable ride on various surfaces. Enjoy reliable performance across different biking environments, from city streets to off-road trails. Ride with confidence knowing it's built to last. We offer dedicated customer support to assist with any questions. Enjoy a worry-free shopping experience with hassle-free returns and exchanges. What we like. This 16-inch bike tube is crafted from heavy-duty butyl rubber and offers low rolling resistance for an efficient ride. Notably, it's also compatible with many popular stroller brands. If you need a reliable tube for your 16-inch bike or a compatible stroller, this offers versatility and performance. What people say. Fit my skinny little 16 tires. Nice quality and super fast delivery. Tubes held the air nicely. The tube worked perfectly and fit like a glove. This ain't thicker than the one that went flat, and I have a spare for the next flat. It holds air, and that's what is important. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.